Welcome to the next video. In this video, I want to give you a first introduction into creating own Python packages. At first, a side note here, I'm currently not in our course workspace here in Visual Studio Code. I have just created a new folder here that I have opened. Currently, this folder is empty and I want to show you how you can create a Python package and how you can import from the Python package locally for the moment. Later on in this chapter, I will show you how you can install this Python package to your virtual or to your Python environment at all. And also later on, I will show you how you can upload your Python package to PyPI. So at first, I will create here a new directory, which I will call my package, for example. So my underscore package. Inside this directory, I will create a dunder init.py file. Outside of the my package folder, so in the working directory here, I will create a file which I will call main.py, for example. The name here, main.py, is user defined. You can choose any name. The dunder init.py name here inside the my package folder isn't user defined. So you have to call this file dunder init.py. Otherwise, this folder here wouldn't be treated as a Python package. Furthermore, I will create one more file here in my package. I will call this file printing.py. Inside the file, I will create a function that is called here def print hello world, for example. This function doesn't return anything, and here we just print hello world to the console. Also, I will create another function that I will call def print name, and here we have one parameter that is called named. It should be a string, and the function does also return none. So here we just print hello, and we paste in here the content of the name parameter. So we use here a f-string. Okay, now I have defined two functions here inside my Python package. Now is the question, how could I access these functions from outside? So the main reason about creating packages is to use these packages as a library, I would say. So in other projects, you want to import some parts of this package here, of this library here, in your other package to be used. So for example, if you create a package about vector calculations, for example, you could then import from this package to just create some vectors or to compute something with vectors. So that would be a mathematical example. Here for now, we have just two print functions that print either hello world or the name of the user to the console. And the important thing here is the printing.py file lies inside the my package folder. Also, the dunder init.py file lies also here in the my package folder. Okay, then next I will show you how you can import here locally from the package inside our main.py file. Note, the main.py file is not inside the my package folder, so the main.py file is not part of the package that we have created right now. It is just a script that will use this package. Okay, so for now, I just type here from my package dot printing import print hello world, and from my package dot printing import print name. So I just imported both functions. I will create here a main function. For the moment, this will return also none, and here I will call print hello world, for example, with the argument of my name Jan. So here I just create our if name equal main part, where we will call our main function, and now we can execute this Python file. So click here on execute. The file will be started, and here we would see the console output hello world and hello Jan. So this was the first step. We have created a Python package that has two functions at the moment, and we can import here locally with from my package dot. Then we will write here important, the file where the function is defined. So these two functions are defined in the printing.py file. So I write here from my package.printing. You do not have to write the .py file extension here. Yeah, you can leave it as it is here. So just the file name without the extension. Then I just wrote here import print hello world, for example, and I could run the function. Okay, then next I will show you how you can create subdirectories inside your Python package. So sub packages you could call it. So I will create here an utils folder. Inside the utils folder I will drag and drop here my printing.py file. And also inside the utils folder I will create a dunder init.py file. So if I go back now to my main.py file here, the package structure has changed. So currently our Python interpreter can't find this printing sub package or sub module here of our my package. So if I would rerun this file here right now, we would see here module not found error. That is because I've created here a subdirectory where our printing.py file is now located. So for the import statement here, I have to write from my package dot utils dot printing. Also here for line 2. And in the next video, I will show you how you can exclude some functions that you have defined in your package from importing from the outside. So you can define functions inside your package that should only be used inside your package and shouldn't be exported to the outside. So users of your package or your library cannot use these functions later on because they do not have access to these functions. That could be a use case for your package later on. So I will show this in the next video. For the moment, as last note here, to make it clear what maybe the difference between a Python module and a Python package is, any Python file is a Python module. A Python package is a directory structure where we have several Python files defined and also possibly, as we saw here, subdirectories where are also another more Python files defined. The important thing is for a package, we have these dunder init.py files where we can, and that I will show in the next video, define what is exported to the outside. So this here, so the whole my package folder here is a Python package. For example, our main.py file would be a single Python file, obviously, and hence it would be a Python module and not a Python package. So that is the main difference between these two types. You can import from both, but the internal structure is different. And the module hasn't really a structure, so it's just one Python file. A package has a structure. Okay, that's the main difference. And in the next video, I will show you some more things about importing and exporting from Python packages. Then we will see us in the next video. Bye bye.